Welcome to the next session, children. Welcome. Today we'll study the quadratic equations, right? So quadratic equations, how we can solve the quadratic equations. That is the main concept in this chapter, right? That is the main concept. So what is given here? Here I'll explain you the main concepts. That is, can you see this four main concepts here? What are the main general form, meaning, discriminant, method to solve? Okay, so what is the first one? I'll explain about the general form. Can you see this general form? What is the general form of the quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so if any equation can be written in this form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we can say that this is quadratic equation because the degree is 2, right? Degree is 2. So see the highest power 2, right? X square, x and c, actually it's a constant term. A is known as the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Okay. Now, the next one, there is a general form. Okay, what is the meaning? Meaning you can see here, that is equation of degree in one variable. Only one variable you can see. There are not two variables, x, right? Only one variable. So equation of degree 2 in one variable. That is the meaning of the quadratic equation. Okay. Equation of degree 2 in one variable. So general form, meaning. Now next one is in quadratic equation, we have to see the discriminant. What is the discriminant? Okay, discriminant D is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac, that is, what is a, b and c? I have explained to you. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Okay, children, did you understand? B square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. So in the question paper, there will be one question like this. Find the discriminant of this equation. One equation will be there. You have to find out the discriminant. Okay. Now, the next important one is nature of roots. Okay. So you can see it in the last exercise in the quadratic equation. That is nature of roots. What are the nature? As I told you, b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. Here the nature, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, how many roots will be there? Two equal roots are there. Roots are equal. Roots in the sense solutions. Okay, solution. So since it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form, there are, what is the degree here? 2. Degree is 2. So 2 solutions you can find out from this quadratic. If the degree is 2, 2 solutions are there. If the degree is 3, 3 solutions are there, right? If the degree is 4, 4 solutions are there. So likewise, here the degree is 2, so 2 solutions are there. Okay. So what is the nature of those 2 solutions? That is the question. That is the meaning of nature. Okay. Sometimes it will have 2 equal roots. Sometimes the roots will be different. Solutions will be different. Okay, different. And sometimes no real roots will be there. When we can say that equal roots, when we can say the distinct real roots, and when we can say that imaginary roots. Here, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then 2 equal roots. Do you understand? Then 2 equal roots. Okay. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is, if it is negative number, after calculating b square minus 4ac is some negative, sometimes negative 4, negative 5, negative 126, something like that. So it will not be having any real root. Okay. All the roots will be imaginary. So that's why here we are writing no real roots. B square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, 2 distinct real roots. Can you understand this? That is, I'll tell you one example. If b square minus 4ac, after calculating this discriminant, b square minus 4ac is equal to some 126. Okay, it is a positive number, right? It's positive. So it is actually, how many roots will be there? 2 roots will be there. So 2 roots are the 2 distinct real roots, distinct roots. Okay, like 2 and 3, 4 and 5. If it is, sometimes it is two distinct real roots. Sometimes it is 6 and 7. Okay. So real, distinct, different, it will be different. Two real, that is equal roots means 6. If one root is 6, another root also 6. 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. Likewise, it will be going. Okay, same roots you can see there. That is the meaning of two equal real roots. Okay, no real roots means we cannot find any real root. That you will learn from 11th standard. Okay, 11th standard, you have to learn about the complex numbers. Then you will learn more. Now you have to learn only this much. No real roots. Roots are actually imaginary, right? So this is known as the nature of roots. Okay, I hope all of you understood this, right? So next one is discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Now, how many methods are there for solving this quadratic equations? Okay, that is the next one. See, first one general form, second one meaning, and third one discriminant, fourth one methods to solve. How many methods are there? You can factorize either factorization method or the quadratic formula. Or the quadratic formula. Two methods are there. Factorization or quadratic formula. Factorization method is actually it's a familiar method for you that we are learned from the 9th standard. So it's not a new concept for you. It's a factorization method, like splitting the middle term, and then any a plus b whole square term will be the. So we can have to make it a plus b into a plus b factorization. We'll see. Don't worry. We'll see in the sums. Okay. Now you learn this is the method. Method I'll show you later. Right, in this it will be coming one. I'll be taking one factorization method, everything, and I'll be showing you. Okay, factorization, then quadratic formula. This quadratic formula also we can use. What is a quadratic formula? See, this is a quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. So you can solve by two methods. Okay, whether it is factorization method or the quadratic formula. So these are the main concepts in this chapter, children. Just to understand this, mind map will be in your brain. Okay, it have to be registered here. Then it will be easy for you. This mind map, if you are registering here, it will be easy for you. Okay, right? So I'll be coming with this more sums on this quadratic equations. Okay, children? Bye. I hope all of you understood this.